And that's offset. Yes. And typically during the month of Ramadan, last Friday, this mosque full with the
पीछे तरह जंप भी है ख्याल से स्टेप आएगा एक
center of peace, interfaith harmony.
Okay, I know a few words in Urdu. I know Shukriya and Lahore, Lahore.
What's your message for Pakistan?
It's pleasure to me, of course. The Pakistan Prime Minister loves the TV series and loves me, and I know he had a story of the social media, and I saw it, of course. Thank you very much. It's pleasure to me. Thank you. Thank you. Actually, I know the Pakistani people loves, but I'm not expect like this. Thank you very much for coming. We are here because I know the Pakistani people loves, and I want to see myself, and I'm here. And I know it's not last time, just this first time. And we have a new agreement to Chaudhry Textiles. So I'm very happy to this relationship, friendship.